If your iPad's screen looks yellow like this, it's usually because you have the night shift feature enabled. A quick way to check is to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and then look for the brightness toggle. If you tap and hold that, you'll see a few important display-related controls: dark mode, night shift, and true tone. Night shift is designed to reduce blue light, which is beneficial if you're using your iPad right before sleeping. True tone uses sensors to adjust the colors based on the color temperature of your environment. I'll turn off night shift and you'll see my screen instantly return to its normal colors. Sometimes this could get turned on by accident, but your iPad could also automatically turn it on based on a set schedule. If you go to Settings and Display and Brightness, you can check the settings for night shift. You can adjust the color temperature from slightly yellow to really yellow, and you can change the schedule. You can have it on a custom schedule or simply schedule it to turn on between sunset and sunrise. Or if you don't want night shift at all, just make sure both of the toggles are turned off. Personally, I like using this. Blue wavelengths suppress melatonin, the hormone that helps you wind down and fall asleep. So when you use your iPhone or iPad late at night, the bright, cool-toned light can make it harder to fall asleep, disrupt your sleep quality, and keep your brain more alert than it should be. That's why features like night shift and dark mode exist. They warm up the screen and reduce blue light so it's easier on your eyes and helps your sleep. Hope that helps. Leave a comment if you have any questions and check out my iPad playlist for more quick guides like this.